following the principle of polarity through natural law, you will find that everything has opposites. That's including sexuality. There is hyper-hetero, hyper-homo. These are both abnormal sexualities because they do not consist of the majority within humans. Humans, within the principle of polarity, these opposites must meet in the middle, thus creating the majority consensus of bisexuality. I really hope this clears up any confusion within the youth or anybody who is having internal opposition through the spread of this LGBTQ agenda through the Western world.